We'll be doing Boyle's Law.
Boyle's law, the inverse relationship between pressure and volume. When the volume decreases, the pressure increases. When the volume increases, the pressure decreases. The formula used for Boyle's law is P1 V1 equals P2 V2.
The materials that will be used in this experiment today will be the aluminum can, a pot, tongs, an ice bath, which is here, fire, and we will also put about 15 milliliters of water inside the can.
The next step that we will be doing is adding the 15 milliliters of water inside the can. The can has a small opening, so we will be pouring the water inside the can.
Next, we'll be putting the aluminum can in the pot with the heat underneath, so we'll go ahead and add that. And inside the pot, we'll have it with high heat, and we will have the water vapor come out of the can. Now it will take about 3 to 5 minutes for the can to boil. You'll see smoke come out of the opening of the can, but it will be really hard to distinguish here on the video. But in the opening of the can, it's releasing gases, but it will be hard to be noticeable here on the video. Once you hear a bubbling noise, that's when the water vapor is making the reaction. So we'll just wait for the noise to come up. As you can see and you can hear, the water is boiling and the gases are escaping, so we're ready to immerse the can into the ice bath. With the tongs, we're going to grab the can and we're going to immerse it in the ice bath, and we have to make sure that the opening of the can is facing downward into the ice bath, and at that point we will hear the can crush. So we'll grab the can since it's boiling and quickly immerse it into the ice bath, and as you could hear that the can just crushed.
The reason this occurred to the can is because the can was filled with water vapor that caused the pressure inside the can to be greater than the pressure outside of the can. Once the can was immersed in water, the water sealed the opening and the vapor inside of the can condensed. This resulted with the pressure inside of the can to be reduced, which caused the can to be crushed. Here are 2 examples of real-life situations. For example, scuba diver. When a scuba diver exhales air underwater, the air bubbles grow larger as they reach the surface, because as the bubbles rises, it has less pressure. So as the pressure decreases, the volume increases. Another example is a bicycle pump. A bicycle pump has an air piston that gets pushed down the cylinder of the pump. As the piston gets pushed down, this creates pressure. That pressure then pumps air into the bicycle tube, so as the volume in the pump decreases, the pressure increases, and vice versa for the tube.